Hi, boys and girls. So, you are going to be working on this really fun text feature scavenger hunt. So, in nonfiction books, there are different types of text features. There are photographs, and up here on the book, it tells you what the text feature is. Photographs help the reader understand exactly what something looks like. So, this shows you a real picture of a buffalo. So, what you're going to do is find your book on Epic. You can use a nonfiction book on Epic. You're going to type the title. So, for example, if I'm reading a book called Sharks, I'm going to type it in with a capital letter. The page number I found a photograph on, so I can say page 7. Found a photograph of a great white shark. The photograph helped me understand what great white sharks look like. So you are going to look at your nonfiction book on Epic, find a photograph, and tell us what it helps you understand. Does it help you understand what something looks like, where something is? Okay. Then you're going to go to the next one, which is headings. Headings help the reader know what each section or chapter is mainly about. So here the heading is migration. As winter approaches and food becomes scarce, many animals migrate or move to another place in order to survive. This is an example of animal adaptation. So this heading, migration, tells me what my section is going to be about. So if I type in, my heading might be types of sharks. I found an example of my title is Sharks. I found an example of a heading, types of sharks. I think this section will be about all types of sharks you can find in the ocean. Okay, then I can find another one of my nonfiction books, or I can continue with my same one. It's up to you. And I can type sharks again. Here's another example of a heading, food, sharks eat. This section will be about the types of food sharks eat. Okay, so you're going to do that for your book. The next one is types of print, like italics, color, or bold print. Signal to the reader, look at me, I'm important. So again, the title, the page number, the type of print you found. So did you find something in italics, color, or bold? And why do you think the author thought that was important? Captions describe pictures and photographs. So a caption comes underneath a picture. A museum displays mammoth bones. So you'll find an example of a photograph with a caption underneath it, and you can say what the caption says. Graphs and charts help the reader understand important information by putting it into a visual representation. I found a graph or chart, put the title. What does it show? Does it show the life cycle of something? Does it show a bar graph? And what can you learn from the graph? Timelines, if you have a timeline in your book that show important dates. Maps help the reader understand where things are, and diagrams help the reader understand how something works. Table of contents, a glossary, which is where you find important vocabulary. An index is words or topics found in the book. So if you can't find one of these, I would look through a couple different nonfiction books from Epic to get an example. So you're kind of just looking for each of these in your books. This is going to be a 2-day project. So you'll probably, work as long as you can, but you'll probably only make it to about slide 7 because I want you to take your time on this, okay? Have fun. Can't wait to see.